So this is the night train. This is my first time. I got the Kushet, but I'm hoping to get a first class sleeping car. So they say I should go and ask the travel manager, ticket conductor, who is going to come in the next station, and then the journey is going to start. So it's a Kushet. Apparently, the 4 people share. We are going from Zurich to Ljubljana. This train goes via Graz to Ljubljana to Zagreb, and there are many few stations in between. There's also another good train to Prague from Zurich, which I couldn't take because I'm not going, but I'll be taking it very soon. Okay, Kushet looks like this, I guess. So this is the Kushet. So that was the seats. So there are like 4 berths each side, and that is the first class, which is a sleeping car. So hopefully they're not sure if there will be any availability, but I have requested them to check, so they're going to check. Let's go and ask to see if there is any possibility. That's how it looks like. I think it's pretty private, and yeah. So my seat is 34. This is in the middle. Interesting. They got us some water, some refreshing towels, some snack sweets, which I'm going to avoid. There's light. Yeah. Hello. Hello. And then they have this pillow as well as a duvet. Well, that sounds interesting. Let's see how the journey goes. Hello.
Bitte diese Tür hier zu machen.
But it stops at 11 stations.
Yes.